just feel like I can't keep on top of life. Currently 11 AM on Sunday. We've just been to the beach and we're just showering. Cosmo's had a bath, Ron's currently in the shower. Now I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'm just about to take my ginger shot. So this is actually what it looks like once it's been in the fridge for a couple of days. And so all you do is just shake it up and it turns into this nice gingery color. And then I go and pick out a shot glass. This one is from 1770. If you're new here, we've collected shot glasses from all over the country. When we did our travels last year, I need a chaser for this though because I hate this flavor. And if you didn't watch my monthly reset thing, I'm doing this pretty much every day to try and improve my gut health because it's not where I want it to be. So let's hope this does the trick. Cheers. You've got to do it for your health.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
Hello, it is currently Monday lunchtime. I can't even speak. I look so disheveled because I am so disheveled. I felt so sick this morning and I just did like a 6-hour shift and I've come home and I forgot that this was the state of my kitchen. My kitchen has never been dirtier. Look at all of that, and this is our clean stuff that needs to be put away. And I have that whole thing to fold because it went foggy one night and it got all wet again. So I had to go hang it back up. But the bed isn't made, it is still a mess, and I just feel like I can't keep on top of life. How do people do it? I only have a part-time job. Like, how do people with full-time jobs keep their sanity? Like, how do you get everything done? Anyway, I've just got a couple hours of editing to do and then I'm gonna get into all of this housework. Happy Monday. Also, Rowan bought another plant for the house. So cute. That's my, good boy. And now my laptop has decided to not work. So a lot of you may not know that my partner Rowan is really into like fitness and sports, and he goes to the gym pretty much every day. And I do not, and I really wanted to get into like a fitness workout routine, and so he gifted me this Sport Athletica at-home gym set thing. I'm going to use it today, and he's written me up a little program to get me started. So basically I want to aim to train 3 times a week. Well, I shouldn't really say train because it's not really training, but I want to aim to work out 3 times a week, and I really want to focus on like growing my lower half of my body. Because as you can see, it's giving stick figure, so that's not really a vibe. So yeah, like one day is going to be lower body, one day is upper body, and then the third day is just either whatever I feel like or cardio, like skipping and things like that. But today I'm going to do a lower body, and we're going to do 3 lots of 10 squats, 3 lots of 10 calf raises, 3 lots of 10 side kicks, and 3 lots of 10 donkey kicks. Do those by like hooking these bands onto like the bottom bit. So yeah, let's see how we go. This might be a bit of a montage because I can't work out without music and I don't want to get copyrighted, so enjoy. Oh, also before I get into this, I was so excited today. I thought Ed Sheeran's new album Autumn was dropping today, and so I was like, it literally got into my dreams. Like I was literally dreaming about it. And I woke up this morning like, oh my god, today's the day. I'm gonna have a new Ed album, how good's this? And turns out it comes out on the 29th of September. Not today, so that's a bit of a letdown. Just breathe, just relax and be okay.
Well, I've been away, thought you wouldn't change, but I'm still feeling the same. From my veins, I got a fever for days.
t-shirt because it got so hot gardening, but I just went on a little Kmart trip and I want to show you what I got. I love shopping now that I have like a steady, stable income. I don't know, it's just the best. And I can show you these things. Some of them are a present for Rowan, but I mean, he doesn't watch my vlogs, and I think this one goes up Monday and the presents are for Sunday. So let's do a little haul. Firstly, I actually went to this sweet place in town that I've been meaning to go to since we got here, and I've been really excited about it. I don't know what I expected, but as soon as I walked in, it was so eerie. Like, there was no music playing, like most of the cabinets were empty, and there were only like 2 or 3 cakes and a couple of these little like sweet packs. And I'm like, okay, I'll get a sweet pack, but I don't know, I was really disappointed. I was expecting like a fun cake shop with like poppy music and I don't know, just like a team of people. I don't know, it was very eerie. It was very like abandoned vibe. But I got some caramel slices from there, so I'm very excited to try them. We've been meaning to get Monopoly, and so for Father's Day this Sunday, I'm gonna get Rowan Monopoly. And I also got him a shirt as well, and I might get him like a bottle or something from the Bottle-O. Got some new things to wear to work, and a cute little shirt from Kmart. Belt. I also got some whiteboard markers and a little thing to hold them up on the fridge. And as I said in my last vlog, I'm gonna get a second one of these, so that's what I did. And that is my little Kmart haul that nobody asked for. I've just had to swap cameras, so if you can see like black around the outside, this is the camera that's really broken, but the other one just died, so. But I had to put on the new little outfit I got from Kmart, excluding the black shirt. Sorry, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm obsessed. Anyway, I just got a package delivered from the other side of the country from one of my favorite shops. If you've been watching for a while, you'll probably know what this is. So cute, a little handwritten note. Hope you enjoyed the bonbons, thanks so much. Literally my favorite chocolates in Australia. They're by Studio Coco in Canberra, and I actually designed the logo for her. I'm so excited. What are the flavors? I've got passion fruit, pistachio, and caramel cheesecake. Yum, I think I have to have one now. I go through these chocolates so quickly, and since we moved here I haven't ordered them just because I'm like, oh, it's like across the country, like shipping chocolates, it might not go that well. They're in perfect condition. Sorry, look at the design of these chocolates. Absolutely divine. I'm so happy that I have these in my hand. They just taste so good. And now Cosmo's favorite part of the unboxing experience, the packaging. Oh, do you want the box? I just got home from a 9-hour shift and I am so exhausted. I don't really have anything defrosting for dinner because I didn't think about it, and after a long day I really just don't want to cook. My muscle chef has kindly gifted me a whole bunch of meals and like protein muffins and cookies, and so I think I'm gonna go the butter chicken for dinner tonight because this looks so good. And I feel like once you've exerted like all of your energy for the day, you need the protein, like you need energy, and so this is absolutely perfect. So this one is chicken breast in a rich buttery tomato sauce with green peas and saffron infused rice. How good does that sound? And it's also super fresh as well. It's like vacuum sealed. It's not like the ones that have the plastic just over the top. And I'm so excited to have this for dinner tonight. But as I said, it's 4 o'clock now, so I can't really have dinner now. So I think I'm just gonna have a little protein muffin. This one is double choc flavor. Oh, yum. That looks so good. Cheers. Oh, yum. It's literally a dessert in protein form. You're kidding me. So good. This is the perfect after work snack. If you're ever looking for a fresh and easy meal, my Muscle Chef have heaps of options. And if you're really in a rush and can't wait for delivery, you can find them in Woolies, Coles, IGA and servos like 7-Eleven and BP. You can use the code HEYMYMC20 to get $20 off your first order.